Maybe you felt it. Islam seems hard. Too many rules, so many expectations. People tell you to wear this, say that, do this, avoid that. And sometimes you just want to ask, what does Allah really want from me? Strip away the noise. What is Islam actually asking for? Islam is not a list of do's and don'ts. It's not about culture or control. It's about something deeper, something higher. And if you miss this one thing, you might live your whole life doing rituals, but never understanding your mission. Allah doesn't begin with your clothes, your followers, or your perfection. He begins with your heart. That's why the first thing the Prophet ﷺ corrected in Mecca was belief. Who you love, who you fear, who you obey. Because when the heart is right, the actions follow. The prayer becomes meaningful, the hijab becomes honor, the charity becomes healing. But without belief, it's all just a performance. Islam is not asking you to be perfect. It's asking you to surrender, to admit that you are weak, that you need Allah, that you don't have all the answers, but you trust the one who does. Every command, from prayer to fasting to zakah, is a form of training to discipline your soul, to soften your ego, to guide your heart back to Allah. That's what Islam is really about, returning. The Prophet ﷺ said, I was sent to perfect good character. Islam isn't just between you and Allah. It shows up in how you treat people, your honesty, your mercy, your justice. You were placed on this earth to represent something, to carry truth, to stand for something when everyone else is falling. Islam isn't just what you believe, it's what you become. A source of light in a world full of noise. So what does Islam actually ask from you? Not your perfection, not your stress, not your fear of people, but your heart, your honesty, your effort, to love Allah more than this world, to struggle, to fall, and to rise again, to walk in the footsteps of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even if you limp.